Hello, hello, good morning! Walang pasok today, suspended dahil kay Kuya Enteng. Kaya nandito ako ngayon, bumisita kina Badiday. Siya ang nauna kong na-corner dito yan. Computer muna. Oh, mag-greet ka naman sa mga friends mo.
Hello!
Oh.
Sa mga friends ko, sa nanonood sa akin, mga subscriber. Kamusta po kayo dyan?
O sa inyo, kumusta inyo mga...
sa amin doon sa Taloytoy, kamusta kayo dyan? Pwede
Oo, di ko naman naiintindihan. Go!
Opian masalam kanyo langon doon. Kanami waro klase kunto pag do mo assignment no siya imoni kunto. Pero kumusta ko ro at hinaot no mapiak panglawas niyo araw. Ala, bakit may Tagalog araw?
Ikaw naman, dito naman ito. Oh, magkumusta ka?
Sige
Maru ka, kaliligo. Magkumusta ka na lang sa Miss Taloytoy. Dito si Miss Irene. Go, kumusta?
Shout out po sa taga Taloytoy dyan, taga Malabog. Nandito, okay lang po kami dito. At patuloy sa, lumalaban sa pag-aral namin.
Lumalaban sa English.
English! English, open!
You try to speak English!
Sige.
You speak in English! No, I speak English later. Sige, I'm studying. You try.
After college, halimbawa nasa Amerika kayo lahat, ano ka na sa tingin mo after 7 years? Ano sa palagay mo ang natapos mo? Ano ka na halimbawa ang kinuha mo, di ba?
10 years from...
Ay, nurse ka na. O, sige. Halimbawa, siyempre, mauunang, nakapunta ng Amerika, nasa...
20 years.
Nasa Amerika na to at
15
manager
years.
siya. O kaya siya ang head nurse na isang ko, okay? Ikaw, yan. Mag-a-apply ka. O, ready? Halimbawa, nurse ka na. Oo, mag-a-apply ka. Tingnan natin. Ang question niya, tell me about yourself, and then why do I hire you? Pag sinabi
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, please sit down.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
May I see your biodata?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me about yourself.
I'm Erla Unsala from Bukidnon, and I'm here because I want to work in your company.
Why do I hire you?
Ayan.
Because I need job right now because I want to help my family. Because my family is very hard on me.
Okay. What is your special knowledge for company?
Gumagaling tumataas ng level mo. Go. Oo, yun halimbawa. Bakit ka hi-hire? Hindi dahil, siyempre
Show
magpunta
your...
sasabihin mo yung mga qualification mo. Bakit? Sabihin mo yun.
Yung po tayo, yung...
Mother.
Anong sasabihin ko?
Hindi ko alam, mag-research ka. Halimbawa, ano yung qualification mo sa trabahong yon?
Yung ipagmamalaki mo sa yung
Anong alam mo sa company?
I'm good to entertain the visitors, and also I'm good to and also I'm fluent to speak English.
Okay, okay, Miss Erna Unsala, waiting for calling you
Yes.
soon, and your stay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hoy, mag-review kayo next time part 2. Part
Muna ako, research muna ako sa English.
Okay, very good. Sample lang yun. Si Marjorie busy doon nagre-review. Okay, thank you. Action!
What's problem? What's your
What problem? Mag-apply ng trabaho. What problem?
I'm here because I want
Ayan, my coach.
in your opisina.
In your company, loka.
Ma'am?
Oy, tell me about yourself, ganon, magsalita ka. Then,
Okay.
why do I hire you? Ang ibig sabihin nyo, mga tungkol sa sarili mo at bakit kita i-hire. O sabihin mo yung mga qualification na experience mo. Halimbawa. Okay, ready?
Go.
Take 3. On.
May I see your biodata?
Yes, ma'am. No problem. My papilis is...
Tell me about yourself.
My name is Irene Oyo from Davao City. I'm 30 years old. I'm single mom. My children is 6 daughter. I'm now my problems my problem
Action!
What's problem? What's your
What problem? Pag-apply ng trabaho. What problem?
I'm here because I want
Oh, ayan, my
work
coach.
in your opisina.
In your company, loka.
ma'am?
Oy, tell me about yourself, ganon, magsalita ka. Then,
Okay.
why do I hire you? Ang ibig sabihin nyo, mga tungkol sa sarili mo at bakit kita i-hire. O sabihin mo yung mga qualification na experience mo. Halimbawa. Okay, ready?
Go.
Take 3. Do I hire you? Kasi bakit kita kukunin? O, 'di ba sabihin mo noon, I work as halimbawa, ano ka na halimbawa ngayon, nurse ka na sa Amerika?
Why do I hire you?
Hire, not here.
Hire.
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 Ba't kita
Why do
Ay.
I hire you?
Oh. Okay, sample. Hindi, si nanay mo.
Bakit hinire kita?
Bakit kita iha-hire?
Bakit kita i-hire?
because I need work because I don't know.
Diyos ko, paano ka matatanggap ng trabaho?
I don't know how to explain. You contact your boss and you are concentrate.
O sige, mag-review ka kung tingin ka sa YouTube doon. Okay. Kunwari kayo nagkita kayong friends kayo, nakapunta kayo ng Amerika at magkalayo. And then nag-usap kayo. Ready, action, go.
Hello, Miss Irene! How are you? I'm fine. How about you, Miss Irene?
I'm fine. I'm busy.
How about your life? Your life?
My life is studying.
Oh, okay. I'm so proud of you, Miss Irene.
What about you?
Uh,
How are you? How your experience college?
For me is I'm experienced college life. I'm enjoy, but I'm too. I don't know how to explain it.